don't think it does. I'm gonna stop you for a bit.
Look at this sexy man.
And I'm starting it now.
2, 1. Let the race begin.
Okay,
See
go.
you at the end.
Good luck, losers.
Oh god, that took so long.
Isaac, this is a business relationship.
Purely business, me and you, Sam.
Yep.
Mr.
Our
Davis.
banter is entirely scripted.
It is entirely.
It took a large compensation package to get Dom to jump in that mud twice, but for content, we got the contracts done.
Sam, tell us something philosophical with the last minute of storage we have.
Life just ends in death.
Here's to Train Bros.
To Train Bros. Train Bros, boys. Train Bros trip.
Okay, here I am at Fishbourne. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's disgusting. Oh my god. My shoes are fucked.
And he's done.
And my shoes are fucked. Oh my god, the adrenaline.
Travel update.
Travel update, we're still in the pub. What more do you want? I would go and see what he's doing. I really would, but I feel like he's gonna go and do it again over there. I told you!
Make a right at the end of this road. Turn right. And he goes, okay. Make some massive left.
How do you feel, Sam?
I feel like I edit this.
I would say shucks.
Shucks!